Bullish Dogecoin. Doge cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.298119 and $0.563114 by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach $0.231871 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.052999. Dogecoin. Doge presentation programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge as a joke, because of the then uncontrolled digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being snide, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013. It quickly settled its internet-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Doge, distributed, open source digital money. Dogecoin. Doge works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. 1. A center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of bitcoins delivered into flow as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin key examination. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to organizations. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by leading a fitting basic examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Key investigation is worried about deciding a resource's inburn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different interior and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an claimed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for ordinary consumptions. Dogecoin is right now worth $0.066249 United States dollars. Doge has moved 2.31% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $222,685,281. Dogecoin is right now positioned 8 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $8,932,910,025 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin. Doge. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Dogecoin, Doge, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogecoin. Doge value expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Doge. The Doge cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.099373. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.092748 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.079498. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.165622. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Doge's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.132497 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.145747. Dogecoin Doge value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.231871 and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.211996 and a low of $0.198746 in 2025. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2026. Assuming Dogecoin effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.298119, with a base cost of $0.264995 and a typical cost of $0.278245. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.344493 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.331244 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of $0.364368. Dogecoin Doge value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.410742. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.430617. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.397492. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from